Come test drive the 2018 Kicks. The Nissan Kicks is a crossover vehicle that will demand attention with its styling and impressive performance. Plenty of interior room allows for a comfortable ride while including all the latest technology features. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.